What's up VGod YouTube, Zach here with another tutorial, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to do the dragon. If you're not following VGod or myself on Instagram, you can find those accounts right here. And be sure to go on officialvgod.com to check out our new redesigned website. And this tutorial is powered by the Pro 200 coming out soon with the stainless steel Elite RDTA with that lush ice. First step to the dragon is lung hit. After that, you want to practice exhaling from your nose and your mouth at the same time. The next step, you want to connect the center of your top lip to your bottom lip. You want to have a slight smile while you're doing it. Basically, you want to open your mouth up as wide as you can, but keep the middle of your lips connected. And it should look something like this. Once you can split the vape with your lips, exhale everything, nose and mouth. Just keep practicing getting those streams down. And don't get discouraged, guys. As simple as it seems, it's a frustrating trick, and Johnny still can't do it. And with enough practice, you can have dragons like these. Hope you guys like this tutorial. Let me know in the comments below and subscribe to our YouTube channel and be on the lookout for new tutorials, vlogs, and games of vape. And again, I'm Zach and I hope you guys have a great day.